Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have what you need: an account, device access, and any required 2FA codes. First, sign in and go straight to Settings, right arrow, Linked Accounts. Don't wander. Once there, choose the service you want to connect and select Link or Connect. Make sure you pick the right account if you manage multiple profiles. You're starting the secure handoff now, so pause only to confirm credentials and permissions before moving to the authorization screen. Next, you'll authorize access. This is the core step. When the provider's consent screen appears, read the permission scope so you know what data will sync. Then approve the connection or cancel to adjust settings. If an auth code is provided, copy and paste it into the app. If redirected, allow the browser to return you. Once accepted, configure sync frequency and which data types to share. Make sure to save preferences so the link behaves the way you expect. Finish by verifying the link. Test sign-in or trigger a manual sync to ensure data flows. If it works, note the linked account in settings and set any notification preferences. If the connection fails, reauthorize to refresh tokens or revoke access and try again. Make sure permissions match what the app needs. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache and app data, then repeat the link process. This resolves most token and redirect errors quickly, so you can finish confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.